I used to build financial models for Fortune 500 companies, and last month I used the same frameworks to close a real estate deal that will generate me passive income for the next decade. If you've ever wondered what happens when you take boardroom strategies and apply it to personal wealth, this is that story. Hi, I'm Piyusha, and if you're a corporate professional who's tired of trading in time for money, or if you're just a curious builder who wants to know how the wealthy really think about their assets and leverage and what goes on behind the scenes, you're in the right place. Because today I'm sharing why I walked away from a successful corporate career to building something completely different. Let me take you back 3 years. I had what most people would call a perfect career trajectory. An MBA from ISB, 5+ years as a management consultant in Deloitte and Bain, and then growth leadership at Zomato. I was building strategy decks, running complex financial models, and sitting across from CXOs worth hundreds of crores. The work was intellectually stimulating, well compensated, and very well respected. But here's what hit me during one particular client presentation. I was helping a Fortune 500 company optimize their 500 crore balance sheet using frameworks I had never actually used myself in my own personal wealth building. So I was teaching others how to strategically think about assets while I was putting my own money in fixed deposits and considering playing it safe. The turning point came when I calculated something shocking. Despite earning well into double digits, I realized that my wealth was actually growing just at a 6 to 8% per year, while the businesses I was consulting were growing at 20 to 30% per year using the same strategies that I was choosing and helping to implement. That's when it clicked me. I had been trained to optimize other people's wealth and not my own. So I decided something that surprised everyone. I stepped away from my corporate career and decided to join my family into building a finance and real estate business. Not to work harder, but to build something smarter. And here's what I discovered. Everything that I learned in corporate, DCF models, risk assessment strategies, portfolio optimization, or strategic thinking, these weren't just corporate tools. These were systems and structures that I could bring into my own family business and help it scale. The first 6 months have been a masterclass in applied finance. I've started viewing every decision through an investor lens. So for example, before I used to ask, can I afford this? And now I ask, what is the internal rate of return on this investment? Before, I used to think, how do I save more money? And now I think, how do I optimize my capital allocation across different classes? The same questions I used to ask or answer for billion-dollar companies. I had an employee mindset earlier, which is now changed into an investor mindset. So it helps me generate wealth, whether I'm working or not. And the result? In a few months, I've applied the same analytical rigor I used for Fortune 500 companies into building our own business portfolio. I structured a deal using leverage strategies that I once used in consulting. I applied the same systematic thinking into wealth building. And honestly, we're still quite nascent and have a long way to go. This brings me to why I'm starting this channel. Look, there are plenty of finance channels that tell you to cut your coffee budget or will make you millions overnight. One of those get-rich-quick schemes. But this isn't that. I'm talking about sophisticated wealth-building strategies, the kind that are usually reserved for big institutions and family offices, and learning them together. Because here's what I've realized. If you're smart enough to optimize your company's finances, you're smart enough to handle your own. So I'm documenting this entire journey as I go through it. The wins, the losses, the mistakes, because honestly, I'm still figuring it out a lot myself. So we'll talk about how to think like a CFO about your own personal money, how to think about real estate that goes way beyond just, should I buy that property? How to use debt strategically as a multiplication tool and not just a burden. And systems that scale your wealth versus scaling your hours. Everything I talk about will be tried and tested personally or being tested in real time. There's no theory without practice and no promises without proof. If you're ready to stop thinking like an employee and think like an investor, hit subscribe. Next week, I'll be releasing my first deep dive video on how to use strategically the debt that corporations don't tell you about. This isn't flashy content. It's clear, grounded, built to compound over time, just like wealth itself. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to building with you.